Good afternoon, cowboys and cowgirls. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into WyoWeb and what that checklist looks like. So when you go to log in, you're going to go to that students page. You're going to log in with your username and password, and it's going to take you to this new student page right here. Now, everything on this page is going to need to be done with these red check marks here before you get here. You're going to want to see all green check marks over here. So it's going to be things like paying your deposit, confirming your intent. Once you've paid your deposit, and only once you've paid your deposit, will you be able to fill out your housing contract. We're going to need to see a math placement exam from you if this is red. If it's yellow, then you don't need to worry about it at the moment. If you have any transfer credit, please feel free to let us know and send that over here. And, once registration opens, you'll be able to register for classes, pay your bill, if you need to buy any books, things like that. Okay, so this is a very great page to be familiar with. If you guys need any help at all navigating this page or have any questions about this page or what's on it, please feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Otherwise, you can email us at admissions@uwyo.edu. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we look forward to seeing you here in the fall. Go Pokes!